how to fix iPhone's slow responses to touch. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, is your iPhone responding slow to touches? Then don't worry. You're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through a quick and effective solution to get the device back to normal. For that, head over to Settings app and then go to accessibility and scroll down on the physical and motor, go to touch, and then you'll see touch accommodations. Tap on it so you can turn it off completely. Uh, because this should significantly improve your screen's responsiveness. And similarly, if your whole duration is toggled on, then make sure that you toggle it off as well. So if it's like this, you just need to toggle it off. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.